Hello, my name is Gravy Daniel Ziegler, and today I'm going to show you how to do tasks 3 and 4 of the Firewall Exploration Lab. So for this lab, I'm going to show you how to do tasks 3 and 4, and should be good to go. So first, I need to make sure I have to have these telnet band, as well as Facebook band from my system. So we know that's the IP address of Facebook. So I'm going to deny out that IP address. So deny out 31.13.66.35. Deny out 2 that IP address. So then now Facebook should no longer be able to ping. See, operation not permitted, and I can't telnet. To demonstrate that, I telnet, say I telnet this one here. See, I'm not able to telnet to the other server because it's struggling. So now I know both operations are prohibited. So now I'm going to see this works, but instead I'm going to telnet to a different port. As you can tell, I was able to telnet it through by using forwarding to port 8000 instead of port 23. I was able to avoid telnet. So then now I'm going to telnet to the local host. Now let's try this again. Still recording? Sam. So the wrong IP address. Now let's do telnet localhost 8000. And let's see if it's working on Wireshark. Why is it not working on Wireshark? So SSH encrypted. So I guess it's using the connection, but it still works. I was still able to SSH in, so I think it was still able to work, despite the fact that telnetting let's see if we can test this one more time. So for some reason it doesn't work. I'm not sure why it doesn't work, but this is what it is. I did give me 1 second to figure this one out. So actually, if you look at it, it actually does able telnet. So he's trying the connection. So from there, I was able to telnet in. So it was a little confusing there, but I was able to figure it out. So now the next task is to connect to Facebook using the SSH. So I am going to SSH in. And I should be able to figure this one out. It's HD 9000 C at machine B's IP address. So SSH'd in. And then now I gotta configure, I have to configure the proxy connection. So it's this one. Okay. Now I want to clear the history. And let's see if Facebook works. And hold, Facebook's able to work through the reconnection. Now if we go through Wireshark, we'll see exactly why this is happening. As you can tell, the SSH, it is transferring data from machine A to machine B through an SSH session to get access to Facebook. Now let's exit. If we exit this SSH, Facebook should no longer work. See, it's choosing the connection. However, if we go back to the SSH session, Facebook should now work now. And there you go. Facebook now works. So that was task 3 of the Firewall Exploration Lab. Let's move on to task 4. Let's give 1 moment while I try to figure this one out. Alright, so now this is going to be task 4, which involves task 4 of this lab. So now I'm going to clear this. and I'm going to run through the actual terminal itself. So sudo ufw reject from any to 2. Actually, hold up. I'm just going to be from actually my own main IP address. There. Make this port 80. Then make this port 443. So now it's working. So then now do sudo curl my IP address. Alright, so now it should be this person's IP address. Up. UFW status. So then it's rejected. Recording here. So then you do sudo curl. So now we do sudo systemctl status 2. Now we do this command ssh r port 1990 localhost 80. go through, try a local host. Then we try the curl command again. And open new command, say curl. Sudo curl. Something like that. And then this one. So ideally it would work. It would show the local host of port on 1990, configuring the host, and whatnot. And it's not working for me. But ideally, you can follow this person's YouTube video for guidance. But ideally would work. Fortunately, it didn't work for me. But you would use the curl. It would be this curl command. Curl command, and then your sh, and then where's another window? And then you SSH into localhost to this command, and eventually it would work. For some reason, it's not working for me, but it would work. And that will be task 4 of this lab. Well, thank you so much. It's Gregory Dan Ziegler. Appreciate you watching my video, and let me know of any questions or concerns. Thank you.